Okay, so in this equation we're gonna use a fraction, uh, and the goal is to get the negative of 27. It's to get you know our goal is to get to 0, and how we do here, how we do that, we do that by uh, make 6 to be a negative of 27y, because the goal is to get to 0. Okay, so if our goal is to get to 0, we're gonna multiply 6 with uh, with negative uh, 4.5, and we spell it 4, and we spell it negative 4 0.5 multiplied to 6y, that it will be able to use the force to get the negative of 27y. So x, just copy from the abstract equation. Then we have to use 9 multiplied to 4.5, and that's gonna be 14 and a half. So we have to write a negative because we multiply 9 with negative 4.5, and regular numbers that we multiplied with negative gonna be negative. So here we're gonna spell 40.5 negative x minus 27y, here 27, regular 27y, equal to 3, and we just have to multiply 18 with negative 4.5, and that's gonna be 21, and that's gonna be 81. But I just make sure, so I'm gonna use the candy machine. So that's gonna be 18 multiplied to 4.5, that's 20, that's gonna be 81. But here we're gonna I'm gonna spell it minus 81, because we want multiplied with negative 4.5. Let's see if this machine know how to multiply and divide negative. So just make a test. 9 multiplied to negative 4.5, it's 4 and 5. No, that cannot be. Okay. 9 multiplied to minus 4.5, 0.5. Oh, this machine don't know how to do negative and negative. Okay, doesn't matter because here I will spell this. Okay. Okay, so 21, uh, let's say plus 21 minus 14.5, that's gonna be, let's, as the computer, plus 21 minus 14. That's going to be negative 19.5. So we're going to write negative 19.5 equal to 0, because the goal was 0, and now we have now we have 3, let's say plus 3 negative with 81, that's going to be 78, but let's make sure that this is correct. So plus 3 minus 81, it's, as I'm saying, negative 74. It's negative 78. Okay, so we, I just get a device. Let's divide. I'm not gonna confuse you. So, x equal to device negative 19.5, or we can call it negative 19 and a half, or minus 78. So, we got a device negative 78 with negative 19 and a half, and that's going to be 4, regular 4, because I repeat, when we multiplied or divide. Well, when we divide minus with minus, it's going to be regular because they change the force, and the same is the same way when we multiplied negative with negative, that's become to be a regular. So, just to make sure, I'm going to write here 78 divided with, I repeat it, I'm going to write here negative 78 divided with negative 19.5. That's going to be 4. Let's see. Yes, it's 4. So, I write x equal to 4. And that is the way how I use a function in algebra with two variables. Okay, so, after I got in 4, I can multiply 4 with 9, and that's going to be 36, because 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 36. So, I'm going to write here 36 plus 6y equal to 18. Okay. Now, I have to, now I use the first who make regular 36 to negative 36. Why? Because I remove this number in, I just switch is space. And after I change is space, after switch is space, after the equation, so 36 becomes to be a negative 36. For example, if we have here negative 36, so that becomes to be a regular 36, we can call it a plus 36 or 36 plus. So, so negative 36 with 18, that's going to give us negative 18. 36, negative 36, 18 equal to 6y. So now we have to divide the y to get the y's variable. So y equal to I write here 6. And I just would like to make sure that I not made a mistake. So, or negative 36 plus 18 is negative 18. So here we're going to write negative 18. Now, negative 18 divided with 6, that's going to be a negative 3. Let's see if that's also what the Casio machine thinks. Negative 18 with 6, it's negative 3. I remind you that if I divide or multiply negative with a regular number, the equation will be negative. And that's what, it's important me to repeat that when we divide or negative with regular or multiply regular with negative, that's all going to give our negative. So y equal to negative 3. Okay, so that's how I was solve the puzzle in this equation. Now, I have to repeat that is very important that when we, I say repeat because if you saw my numbers of video, so, I just repeat that, for example, if we in the testing and we forgot to write uh, the answers, so that's not going to be unnecessary for us in the testing, and we can lost so many points, and this is not going to be unnecessary. So we started with x, that's going to be 4 and negative 3. And immediately, I have to make them a scroll. Like that. Now I have to testing if I not made a mistake. Okay, so 21x equal to 4 plus 27 equal to negative 3. That I have to give us a 3. Let's see if that what is it giving us. Yes, that gives us a 3. That's gonna be unnecessary if I also make it a if I also gonna try to testing myself if I not made a mistake in the secondly of the equation. So we're gonna write 9x equal to 4 plus 6 equal to negative 3. That is have to give us 18 if it's both. So we success. Yes, that is 18. And that's how I solve these variables. I repeat, these variables I multiplied with a function. That's how to use a functions in these equations.